Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another Razor review where I attempt to answer the question that you most want to know. Yeah, but does it shave good? I recently got this one on AliExpress for under $5. Obviously, I can't read that other than Super Gillette Blue Blade. I honestly don't have high expectations for this, but we will be giving this a go. What are we using with it? Well, we're going with Juliano Pierdona. I used it in last week's video. This particular one is going to be burnt maple and amorous. Scent notes on this one of burnt maple, orange. Middle notes of toasted clove, amorous, and tobacco. Base notes of cedarwood, smoky oud, and vetiver. Again, at this time, Juliano does not make the matching aftershaves, so I am going with Henri a Victoria Cognac and Cuban cigars, which is going to be a great match for that. Again, going with our PAA 24mm Moon Stryker, amazing knot, love it. Going to get our lather made up while we have this in the barber side soaking. Now, I am not going with their blade. I'm going with an Old Faithful that I absolutely love, the Voss Cod. So, we'll let it soak, get our lather made up, and then we're going to come right back. So, we are back. Got a great lather built up in our Phillips Sharp 3D printed lather bowl. Got the razor loaded with a brand new Voss Cod. It is cheap and very, very thin, as you would expect. Now, if this thing will focus, you can see what type of blade we're looking at. Exposure. You can see the lather slots down here, but you don't see them up here, so it's definitely going to be inconsistent. Have our kitchen scale. Let's find out what we get. $17 grams. So let's see what this is in ounces. About 0.6 ounces. So again, super light. Now it does look like, is it the Slim? Nope. Which is it there? One of, I believe, the British look something like this, but much better. I have or had one. Blanking out about which particular one it kind of looks similar to right now. But just threw my head under the top a bit ago. We're going to wet the face, get our lather, multi-speed shave, come back and let you know what I think. So we are back and got her cleaned out. I'm actually really surprised, but we'll talk about that in a second. Let's take the alum to it, go from there. So our PAA alum, run it under the water, get it wet. I remember that last week, the razor I was using got me there pretty good. So I was taking it easy around that spot today. It also nicked me back on one of these sides. Overall, very, very slight burn on my neck, which is a surprise. I expected it to be much more burn. So, are we Victoria Cognac and Cuban cigars? Gotta grab my readers. Yes, this is alcohol-based, denatured alcohol and witch hazel. Canadian company. Wonderful, wonderful scent on that. And it pairs very nicely with the Juliano Pierdona Burnt Maple and Amorous. Pairs really nicely. So, what do I honestly think? Now, again, I did not use the blade that they sent. I used a Voskhod first use. It's super light. It's thin. I will say that it feels like there's more blade exposure on more blade feel on one side than the other, but it's not hugely different. The strong side of mild, and like I said, I paid under $5 for this. And if I'm to be completely honest, now mind you, I can't read any of this, so I don't have a clue what any of that says, other than the obvious. If you know, please let me know. But again, being completely honest, I've used razors that I paid more for that I liked less. That was damn near BBS. Damn near. You know, you might have to do a little bit more touch up than what you would do with your normal standard, your regular rotation razor. But actually didn't do a bad job. Hand feel, no, obviously it's too thin, it's too light. It's definitely going to be way head heavy compared to for what it is. You know, there's your, it's going to sit like that. But for the price, now I don't fly very often, so I don't know what TSA regulations are. But if that's one you want to throw in your bag and chance the TSA is going to confiscate it, I would almost say that this is almost like a disposable safety razor, maybe. For $5, what the hell? You know, if you don't mind buying from China, if you don't have an issue with that, you could do worse with $5, I guess. Yeah, like I said, I've had worse shaves from razors that I paid more for that I actually liked more. But for the money, it actually gave a really decent shave. Am I in a hurry to use it again? No. I've got some razors I want to show you guys coming up soon that cost obviously substantially more than this one does. But again, for the money, yeah, why the hell not? You could do worse. Oh, anyway, guys, hope you found this informative, and I hope you guys take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. You take care. Bye-bye.